So here's the unit that we are going to be installing today, the Fusion Professional 2.0 by SureCall. I'm going to have Rob do the unboxing and we're going to explain what all the components are. So Rob, I'll turn this around over here and why don't you just go ahead and unbox this and kind of explain what we're looking at. Now this is relatively new product, right?
Brand new. It's only been out for about a month or so.
Oh wow. Okay, so we got some instructions and stuff over here. Now, is this something that people like DIY guys like myself can install, or do you need a professional?
It is possible. It's best with professional installation, but it can be done on your own. But it's really, really important to have everything in the right locations. Your indoor antennas and outdoor antennas need to be separated appropriately.
So it sounds like you should probably get a professional or something like that to do this.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, so what's this unit right here?
This is the booster itself, the SureCall for Professional 2.0.
Okay, and this is what's being installed indoors, correct?
Correct.
Okay, and then over here, why don't you take that out?
This is 50 feet of LMR 400 cable. This is generally the cable that the SureCall uses for the outside connection, or from the connection from the outside antenna to the booster itself.
I see.
It's a significant upgrade to some of the cheaper boosters that are out there.
Okay, cool. And so is that it? Is that just the two?
No, there's more. There's more?
Okay.
There's probably 5 parts in here at least.
Okay, so let's take that out and see what's underneath this package over here.
So there's the booster. This here is the indoor panel antenna.
So there's an antenna inside and an antenna outside.
Yeah, so there's an antenna outside that we'll get to in a second that's pointed towards the cell tower that's providing the strongest signal.
Okay.
And then this cable brings it down from that outside antenna into the booster. The booster then amplifies it and sends it out another antenna another cable into the inside antenna, directed at the area where you want coverage inside your home.
I see. Okay, this makes sense to me now.
So this is the outside antenna.
Okay.
It's a Yagi. It's a directional antenna.
Yagi?
Yagi. So
why is it called Yagi? That's an interesting name.
That's what it is.
Yagi. So that's a Yagi.
That's a Yagi, yes.
There,
so
I learned something today.
It's a directional antenna, this arrow up, only for the drain hole, otherwise.
So when you say directional, that means you have to point it into the proper direction.
Yeah, so it needs to be pointed at the cell tower. It also needs to be pointing away from the home, and it needs to be located at an area of the home where it's pointing away from the home. Sorry.
I see. Okay. So there we go. Yagi? Is that what they call it? Yagi.
Yagi directional.
Oh, I got to remember that. If I could walk to someone's house, is that a Yagi on your house? What? Yes, it is.
This is 20 feet of SC240, LMR 240 coax cable. This is the cable that they provide to go from the booster to the inside antenna.
Okay.
Also includes power supply and a pipe mount for the outdoor antenna.
Come to the pipe mount. Is that in here? Let's take a look at it.
So it includes this mount to the back of the antenna, and then these U-bolts mount to that plate, and then it mounts onto a pipe.
Very interesting.
The kit doesn't include a pipe, but I do have a J-arm pipe mount we can use for that.
Okay, perfect. So this is basically what you get out of the Fusion Professional 2.0 from SureCall. And like Rob said, this is something that you could install yourself, but even me as a DIYer, I'm looking at this going, I probably should be calling Rob for this one. So Rob, why don't we go ahead and then we'll have you explain where you're going to install it, why you're going to install it, and of course we're going to do some before and afters as well. So you want to check out that video as well. Andy Baryer, Handy Andy, signing out from this SureCall unboxing. See you again next time.